Nature's red flags, signs of disaster. You need to escape immediately. A sudden and dramatic drop in temperature isn't just a sign of winter's whimsy. It's nature's first whisper of an impending blizzard or ice storm. Stay alert and prepared. When the sea retreats, leaving the beach eerily barren, it's not a call for curiosity. This natural alarm warns of a possible tsunami, urging immediate evacuation to higher ground. Birds, our unwitting sentinels, take to the skies in unison when danger looms. Their mass departure is a vivid prelude to environmental upheaval, hinting at storms or greater calamities. The sky tells tales of what's to come through its canvas. Intense, unnatural cloud formations, especially funnel clouds, signal the wrath of a tornado. Such sights demand immediate action. The Earth communicates through tremors, a prelude to silence before unleashing its might. This unsettling quiet can herald a larger quake or tsunami, a time for swift, decisive action. Prolonged and heavy rainfall can turn once stable ground into a slippery slope. Saturated soil loses its grip, setting the stage for landslides that can swiftly devastate communities below. As the Earth rumbles beneath our feet, a plume of smoke and ash signals imminent volcanic fury. This growing tower in the sky is nature's warning, urging residents to seek safety. Rivers and streams, usually the lifeblood of the landscape, can transform into agents of chaos. A sudden rise in water levels hints at flash flooding, catching many by surprise with its speed and ferocity. The faint smell of sulfur in the air or an unusual warmth underfoot can be the precursor to seismic shifts. These subtle signs may forewarn of volcanic eruptions or tremors, reminding us of the ground's hidden power. When the sky adopts a deep red or orange hue, it's often not a spectacle, but a warning. This dramatic change can indicate a large fire nearby, urging immediate vigilance and preparedness. Unusual lightning patterns serve as nature's forewarning, hinting at the fury of an impending severe storm. A significant increase in strikes can unsettle the calm, heralding chaos in tranquility skies. The Earth sometimes speaks in whispers, with crackling or popping sounds emerging from its depths. These auditory clues suggest the imminent danger of an earthquake or landslide, urging immediate caution. When groundwater or wells dry up without warning, it's a silent alarm. This phenomenon suggests a shift in underground formations, potentially leading to significant surface changes or natural disasters. An uptick in insect activity, particularly their collective movement away from a specific area, can be an eerie precursor. This natural evacuation signals a disturbance, urging humans to take heed. The sudden mass departure or death of fish and marine life is a grim omen. This disruption in aquatic life points towards water contamination or drastic changes in water temperature, signaling environmental distress. Strange electrical disturbances or vivid displays of auroras can be harbingers of severe solar storms. These celestial phenomena not only create stunning visuals in the sky, but also signal potential disruptions to electrical grids and satellite communications, underscoring the power and unpredictability of our sun. The ocean, vast and mysterious, sometimes communicates through unexplained noises or roars. These sounds could be the Earth's way of signaling underwater disturbances, possibly foretelling tsunamis or significant shifts in the ocean's depths, reminding us of the unseen forces at play beneath the waves. Rapidly changing tides, swinging from extremely high to perilously low, serve as nature's alarm for potential tidal waves or storm surges. Such erratic behavior in the ocean's rhythm warns coastal communities of the need for vigilance and preparedness against the might of the sea. When birds and wildlife venture into urban areas in large numbers, it's often a signal they're fleeing natural disturbances in their habitats. This unusual migration into human spaces highlights the intricate connection between nature's shifts and the animal kingdom's survival instincts. A sudden silence among flocks of birds, where there was once a cacophony of chirps and songs, can indicate an approaching storm or natural disaster. This quietude in the animal world serves as a subtle prelude to the storm's fury, often going unnoticed until the skies darken and the winds rise. Urgent escape, nature's red flags for disaster. A sudden and significant drop in temperature often serves as a harbinger of an approaching natural disaster. This abrupt change can unsettle ecosystems and hint at severe weather phenomena looming on the horizon. Observing unusual animal behaviour, such as creatures fleeing or acting erratically, can provide an early warning signal of impending danger. Animals possess keen senses that detect subtle environmental shifts before humans do. When shorelines rapidly recede, it's a critical indicator of a potential tsunami or significant flood event. This phenomenon signals the displacement of vast amounts of water, forewarning of imminent danger. The Earth's rumbling, characterized by persistent and increasing seismic activity, warns of potential earthquakes. These vibrations beneath the Earth's surface can precede devastating tremors, providing a crucial window for precautionary measures. Sky's warning palette, featuring unnatural sky colors, suggests severe weather conditions ahead. These atmospheric anomalies can precede a range of meteorological events, offering a visual cue to impending disturbances. Disturbed water patterns, such as whirlpools or sudden changes in currents, often signal underwater disturbances. These anomalies can precede earthquakes or volcanic activity beneath the ocean floor, serving as natural warnings. Peculiar cloud formations in the sky are not just a spectacle, but a warning. Dangerous types like wall clouds or shelf clouds often precede tornadoes or severe storms, alerting the observant. A sudden silence in wildlife, often overlooked, is nature's subtle hint of an impending natural event. This pause, especially in birds or insects, can precede earthquakes or significant storms. Electrical charges in the air, felt as a static or a tingling sensation, often forewarn of lightning storms. This phenomenon can also indicate volcanic activity, as ash clouds generate potent electrical fields. Unexplained and sudden plant withering could be a silent alarm for toxic gas release from the Earth. Such occurrences warn of possible volcanic activity or the release of harmful gases from underground. Dropping groundwater levels can be an ominous sign, often predating drought conditions or signaling significant shifts in the Earth's crust. This change not only affects water supply, but can also herald environmental shifts. Bubbles appearing on the surface of water bodies may seem innocuous, but can indicate serious underground disturbances. These bubbles are often the result of gas leaks or geological changes deep beneath the Earth's surface. Soil discoloration, while commonly overlooked, serves as a silent alarm for potential underground chemical changes or the onset of landslides. This phenomenon points to alterations in the Earth that can have surface-level impacts. An increase in fog density is not just a matter of reduced visibility, it signals drastic temperature fluctuations that can precede weather hazards. Such dense fog often envelops landscapes before the arrival of significant weather events. The unmistakable odour of sulphur in the air is a natural warning system for volcanic activity or the release of hazardous gases. This strong smell is a clear indicator of potential danger lurking beneath the surface. The sudden increase in fog density often serves as a harbinger of significant weather shifts. This phenomenon, marked by a thickening veil that blankets landscapes, hints at imminent temperature fluctuations and potential weather disturbances. Its appearance, especially when out of season or context, should prompt caution and a closer examination of upcoming weather forecasts, as it can precede both minor and severe atmospheric changes. A strong sulphur smell in the air can raise alarm bells for those familiar with its implications. This odour, unmistakable and pervasive, is frequently a precursor to volcanic activity or the release of hazardous gases from the Earth. Residents in areas prone to such phenomena are advised to stay alert to this sign and prepare for possible evacuation or safety measures, as it indicates that the underground stirrings are reaching a critical point. The appearance of cracks on the ground is not to be taken lightly, as they often signal the preliminary stages of landslides or earthquakes. These fissures, whether they appear gradually or suddenly, suggest shifts within the Earth that could have devastating consequences. Monitoring these cracks and seeking expert geological assessment can provide crucial insights into the potential scale and timing of the impending natural events. A sudden change in wind patterns can be the first inkling of an approaching storm or cyclonic activity. This shift, sometimes felt before any visual confirmation through cloud movement or lightning, can indicate the direction and intensity of the looming weather disturbance. Being attuned to such changes, especially in regions susceptible to cyclones or severe storms, is vital for timely preparation and response. Abnormally high tides, often overlooked as a mere anomaly, can in fact be a dire warning of storm surges or an impending tsunami. This natural alarm bell, especially when coupled with other environmental cues, demands immediate attention and action. It underscores the power of the ocean under the influence of extraordinary weather patterns and celestial alignments, serving as a critical indicator for coastal communities to initiate emergency protocols.